Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete line group. So first of all, open the Line application on your device. You can see over here, Line has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on the chats option that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your chats over here. You'll also be able to see the group chat over here. So simply tap on the group that you would like to delete. Now after you do that, you can see over here the group chat has been opened. What you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, members, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the members. What you have to do is simply remove all the members. Tap on the edit option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the members over here and you'll be able to delete the members. Tap on the delete option right next to the member that you would like to remove. Now tap on this option OK. Follow this process for all the members. After you do that, go back. Now once you do that, tap on this option leave that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option OK. Now you can see over here, you just left the group. There are no members in that particular group, so that group will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete the line group. So that is how you delete line group. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.